We are excited to announce our newest product, Ride Guard. Clear acrylic sneeze guard for Lyft, Uber and taxi drivers to protect yourself and your customers from coughs and sneezes. This video will show you how to install the Ride Guard once you receive it in the mail.
Take apart the pieces before installation. Start behind the passenger seat or driver's seat. Now, take one of the end pieces and use the Velcro to wrap around the headrest. Next, slide to the other side with the other end piece. Repeat the first step of wrapping the Velcro around the headrest. Move to the center seat. Detach the flexible plastic flap and flip it around so it attaches to the bottom Velcro piece. This is the last step. Align the centerpiece with the two ends. Use the two Velcro pads to attach the centerpiece to both ends. You're all set! Made with lightweight, durable acrylic, Ride Guard is easy to install, less than 60 seconds.